Let's get started with the business plan by using the IFJ Business Plan tool. You can also use Word or another text editor, but in this example we will use the IFJ Business Plan tool. You can use it for free one time. Click on the Start for Free icon. Give your credentials in the Register Now box. You will receive a confirmation email, after which you will be able to log into the platform. The platform looks like this. You can see 5 sample business plans. This is a good opportunity to see what a plan looks like. You can browse and pick things you think could be relevant for you. I have already established my company, the Cali Camp. You can click on it to view the plan. Once you have clicked on the plan, you will see this page. The navigation toolbar is on your left. We will be looking at the basic information, analysis, strategy, measures, plan calculations, and the management summary throughout this lecture series. Once those sections are complete, the business plan will be done. Next, take a look at the 4 yellow icons on the top right of the page. The print icon is to get a hard copy. You can use the copy icon next to it if you want to make small changes on a different version of this document. You can use the share icon to invite other collaborators to work on your plan. And I don't think I have to explain the rubbish bin. If you're dissatisfied with how your business plan is going, you can scrap it by clicking on the waste bin button. To begin, you can enter the name of your plan in the name of plan box, as well as the first year of plan. This is typically when you begin creating your plan. Here we have the number of analysis years. This function is used to analyze previous years of activity when writing a business plan for active companies willing to expand. In this example, we're creating a new company, so we can ignore this function. This setting indicates how many years you wish your business plan to forecast. This is strongly dependent on the type of company you are founding or analyzing. For instance, if you're planning to retire in 3 years, you could put this setting to 3 years. For our surfer camp, we chose 5 years. The reasoning behind this is the first 2 years will be for name recognition growth and economic development, and the next 3 years we can really become a larger company and prove our worth and make a profit. You can fill out the name and contact information. The company has a location in California and Switzerland. Here we will only write the Swiss business address. Now we can fill out our payment delay targets. This is how much time we give our clients to pay our bills, and how fast we have to pay our suppliers. Notice that we didn't fill out a stock range, as we do not provide a physical product, but rather a service, because we're getting surfing lessons. Next, we'll have to figure out our income tax rate. Here we will briefly explain some rules for taxes in Switzerland. Both limited companies and limited liability companies have to pay taxes both on the national, that means federal level, and the cantonal and community level. However, the good news for you is that there are no longer taxes on capital gains. So if your company trades on the stock market, you will not have to pay taxes on your profits. So how can you calculate how much you owe in taxes? Well, you can calculate online individually for each canton. I will show you an example for the canton of Zurich. Choose legal persons in the sidebar. Next, choose your commune, your total income, which is 100,000, as well as your capital, which is 50,000. Next, click the Calculate button. Once you've pressed the Calculate button, you will receive a provisional tax sheet which indicates how much you owe. You will end up paying 18,405 francs on the commune level and on the canton level, as well as a further 8,500 francs to the state. This means that for 100,000 francs of income, you will have to pay nearly 27,000 francs in taxes. Notice that you can also add authors to your business plan, as well as invite other participants to help you write it. Here I will add an author by pressing the Add Author button. I can fill out the author's name and info and contact information, and press the Save button. Once I have done so, I see that the author appears here in the authors field. Lastly, notice the Save and Continue buttons at the bottom of the screen.